Hello, I'm George Nenni with Generations Digital, and welcome to our Google Analytics 4 training series designed specifically for car dealers. Today we're going to dive into the basics of explorations. What are explorations? In GA4, that's the report writer. That's the report writing tool. In another video in this same series, I cover the basics of basic out-of-the-box canned reporting within GA4, and there are some decent, ready-to-go reporting that's built in. But when you really need to combine certain elements of data in a unique way, or you've got a specific report you're trying to drive where the built-in reporting doesn't get it done, that's where you got to learn the explorations. Let's dive in and we'll take a look. When I first learned GA4 back in late 2021, and I went into these explorations, I'll be honest with you, I thought to myself, I'm never going to understand this. This looks so complicated, and so I want this video to demystify it for you the way it eventually got demystified for me. Okay, we choose explorations, by the way. In that menu, it's the only choice, explore. And we've got a template gallery. We can click here in the template gallery and see more examples. These are fun to dive into and play with. You can't hurt anything. You can't take down your website. They automatically save. You can delete them as soon as you create them, and so no worries. Practice makes perfect, and that's what you got to do. Let's dive into Freeform here, and this is the screen that's the most intimidating. You come into this, you're like, oh my goodness, what is all this? And so let me help kind of dissect it. This left-hand column is the parking lot. These are all the potential variables that you might use in the exploration. This middle column here it says settings. This is the active palette. So whatever you drag from the parking lot into this active palette will draw itself automatically on the canvas. So if I say to myself, I want to add, one of these metrics for event count, I just drag this over and it's going to automatically paint. You notice that I drug it over into the value section. So the metrics in blue go to blue in values. The dimensions in green can go to columns or can go to rows, right? So green goes to green, blue goes to blue. Often I get asked, well, what's the difference in dimensions and metrics? I get all confused. They're really just, it's a simple concept. Dimensions are rows for the most part in a table, and then metrics are the columns in a table. So if you wanted to look at your top performing campaigns for a period of time, you would list all your campaigns out. Those would all be dimensions, each row. And then you'd want to know for those campaigns, how many sessions did I get, how many events, how many conversions. Those would all be columns. So it's really fairly simple. I'll clue you into also something where you can save some time. You don't have to drag the green over to green and etc. You can just double click on the waffle here to the left of the label, and it will automatically go where it's supposed to go. And you can see it automatically paints the palette. So thank you for viewing this GA4 training video. If you want to learn more about me and what our company does, you can visit generationsdigital.com. If you want to just learn more about Google Analytics 4 or any other digital marketing, Google Business Profile, you can go to Amazon. I have 3 best-selling books on Amazon specifically for automotive digital marketing. Just go to Amazon and search for George Nenni, and those books will pull up. If you enjoyed this video, please like it. Please subscribe to my channel so that you'll know when new educational videos are released. But George Nenni from Generations Digital saying good luck and thank you for viewing.